Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, I will teach you how to change your voice on Messenger. For this one, you have to open Google Play Store. Type here voice changer with effects. Application. Here you will see the application with more than 100 million downloads. You have to click on install. After the installation, you have to open this application and then you have to tap to start recording, and then you have to click on stop to stop recording. And here you will see bunch of effects that you can add. You just have to click on play tab.
Hi, what's up? You are still online? Hi, what's up? You are still online?
And then you have to click on these three dots. Click on save recordings. Click on allow. Click on OK. Now you have to open your phone gallery. Go to internal storage. Scroll down. Here you will see voice changer. You have to click on it. Click on voice changer audio. Here you will see your saved voice change. You have to select that. And then you have to click on share tab. Click on messenger and you have to select the contact where you want to send. Here you can see we have successfully sent the voice. Open the messenger. Here you can see our voice is sent.
Hi, what's up? You are still online?
So in the same way, you can also change your voice on Messenger. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.